Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we are going to learn another new technique in Excel. So I will show you how what we are going to do. Just watch this table. We have the last one is Ajay Mumbai, age 31, graphic designer. I am entering something else. Okay, Manu Nagpur. Okay, okay. So did you notice something? Like I just kept on typing the data and the cell borders came automatically. Okay, just see. If I type Ajit, see the borders are coming there automatically. Okay, see the borders are coming automatically without us having to do it manually. So let's see how we can do it. Right? It's look interesting. So just see. So this is the table that we have. Okay. So we want to automatically create borders to each data that we are filling inside this table, okay, or adding to this table. For each data that we are adding to this table, we want the borders to be created automatically. So for that, first we have a table here. Okay, actually we are using it through the conditional formatting option. So the first thing is that like you need to select from the first cell and keep on selecting up to which you are planning to enter the data. Okay, so I'm planning to enter the data up to row 23. So I'm just selecting up to that. Okay, then go to conditional formatting, click on there, create a new rule. Okay, and here click the user formula to determine which cells to format. Click on that. Okay, okay, just a minute. Before that I need to go to the top cell. Okay, okay, right now. Okay, I'm just repeating that. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. So the first thing is that I will make the equal sign, that's a static for each formula, and select the first cell of the table, that's the name, C4. Click on C4, remove the locking for the rows. Okay, just I'm removing that dollar sign. Okay, now dollar sign C4 not equal to blank. Okay. If it's not equal to blank, what we have to do? We have to format it. Okay, so I'm repeating it. C4 not equal to blank, format it. Okay, click on format. Then you can see four tabs. Click on the border tab, and in the border tab, click on the outline option. Click on that. Okay, then click on OK. Then click on OK once more into the first dialog box. Click on that. Okay, now we are done. Okay, type anything. Okay, I'm going to type anything. So for example, I'm typing Harry. See, the borders are coming automatically. Okay, Steve Hira. So for all the data we are entering, the borders are coming automatically. So that's how we can add manual or how we can add automated borders to a table based on our requirements. So uh, that's all about this technique. So I hope that you enjoyed this small technique. So if you enjoyed this, please like the video and share it among with your friends. Also provide your comments in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that and click on the bell icon while subscribing to this channel. So till I come with my next video, please practice these tips, stay tuned, and have a great day. Bye.